for today's video. We are doing some hair. As you can see, I'm all tied up. My hair is not done. We're going to be doing some hair. So, you want to see how this hair turns out? Make sure you keep on watching. So I want to share with y'all, I got some hair from Amazon and it is some crochet hair. So this is how it came. I don't remember the name of the particular seller. I will post that. This is the post that I found. It is crochet hair, like I said. It's kind of like spring twist or like bomb twist. And this is how the pack comes, like this. And the color that I got is 1B27, and it was $21 for 3 packs. So it came with 3 like bundles like this, and that's $21 for this, which is not bad. I have used this hair already for my daughter's hair. I just got the 1B, it was either 1B or number 2, something like that for her hair. And I decided to get some color for me and show you guys what the hair was like. There's about 18 pieces in here. The hair is very soft. It does not, I mean, it smells like hair. It doesn't have like a weird smell or anything like that. And yeah, the hair in my daughter's hair, it lasted actually very well. I actually got more than one use out of there, okay? Because she kept it in for about 2 weeks, and then I washed her hair and was able to put it back in, and it was fine. Like, it was really cool. Like, nothing unraveled or anything like that. Of course, it was Amazon, so I got Amazon Prime, so the shipping was, you know, a couple days. It was here. And like I said, the price was $21 for 3 packs, and which is not bad because that's about, you know, $7 for like 1 pack. And if you go to the beauty supply store, the bundles are about this big. It'll be like 1 pack for like $7.90, $6.99, $7.99, and that's, you know, that's about that. You know, $21 for 3 of these. That's about $7 a pack. That's not bad. Like I said, I got 2 packs, so yeah, it's really pretty. It's mixed with, like I said, the 1B27 and more of the 27. I wanted some color going on. And this is 8 inches. This is 8 inches. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and put this in. Let me take this scarf off. I have already braided my hair. Excuse my braids. I don't do my braids as good as I do somebody else's braids, but I just did my zigzag parts and I braided it straight back. And in the back, I'm not sure if y'all can see, but I did like a zigzag in the back, just going from one end to the next in the back. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut this open, and I'm gonna go ahead and start putting this in, and y'all be able to see the finished product. We're gonna speed this video up a little bit though, and you can see the loop here. Like, you have to really, that's only one thing, like the loop is not, I mean, that's actually a good thing, like, because it's not really loose at the end. Like, you really have to kind of spread your finger in there to get to the loop. So that's actually a good thing. And like I said, there was no unraveling or anything like that. So we're going to go ahead and put this in, okay? All right, guys, so I'm starting to put this hair in. I'm not going to be very detailed with the method that I use. I have so many videos with me doing crochet. So if you want it really detailed, description on how I do, you got to watch one of my other videos on how I do like the crochet pass and twist or something like that. But it's pretty much the same method. I'm using the needle in a downward motion, a direction, and then I am putting the needle through the braid, and then grabbing the end of the hair and pulling it through the loop. That's basically what I'm doing. I'm using 1-finger spaces in between. In the front, I made it more full, but in the back, definitely those 1-finger spaces so it doesn't look too bulky and it won't be too heavy on my head. But main thing, I wanted y'all to see how this hair looked in my head, so you can see how this Amazon hair turned out. So y'all keep on watching. Alright guys, so this is what I have done so far. I've only used one of the 3 bundles that it came with, and I was able to get done like 2 braids in the front and then all around my nape, or back here up until about right here. Not sure if y'all can see, but yeah, so that's actually, it got me pretty far. I think it's more than 18 pieces in here. The description said approximately 18 pieces, but it might be more than that actually. I didn't think I would get that far, but I'm so far loving this color. So we gonna keep installing this here and see how this turn out. Y'all keep on watching, all right? Alright guys, so this is how 2 packs look, and now I'm about to start on the 3rd, and I believe the 3rd might get me possibly the majority of these braids, and then I'll be moving on to my next pack here that I got. Y'all stay tuned. here is the finished product, and this is so cute. Like, I am loving this. I'm just about to add some edge control, and I have my favorite edge control, the family size, as you can see, because I use it a lot. I need a lot, honey. So I got the family size, the 24-hour edge tamer by Eben black top. The other ones, they have that white residue that I just can't deal with. So I'm just gonna get a little bit of this, and we're gonna sleek these edges, you know, put a little bit in there and kind of sleek these edges a little bit, because, you know, I can't get, my edges are struggling a little bit, and I can't get them all in the braid, you know. So we're gonna kind of sleek these in there, make it fancy. And this turned out really, really cute. And I just like to swoop it to the side like this. I don't like to wear mine all the way back. I like to swoop it to the side. I am so glad that I did not, I'm liking this. I'm so glad that I did not just get plain black. I've been wanting some color, something with some color for a minute, like all summer. So I'm glad I got this. It brightens me up. I feel like it just adds life. And child, I needed that. And I like it. I love this color. I can run my fingers through this and it does not tangle. I've had some like passion twist hair, spring twist hair that kind of gets tangled together. This is not. It's soft. It's bouncy. Yeah, it really seems like good quality. This, I've used both packs, and remember it was $21 for 3 bundles. And I got 2 of those, so that's 6 bundles altogether, and I used all 6. I really feel like I could have used probably 1 more bundle. It's a little bit of some spaces in the back. Not sure if y'all can see. This is the back. You probably can't see because I have it flipped. But it's just not as full as I really want it to be in the back. And also I would have liked to just go through and kind of fill in some gaps, some spaces. Like I feel like I could have got 1 more right here or something like that. But yeah, so it's so much I can do with this, like just wear it down, or even if I wanted to, you know, put it up or something like that. That'd be super cute. And this, I mean, I really think the color is what's doing it for me. This 1B27, honey. I'm loving it though. I really, really like it. Y'all go check it out on Amazon. I will post the link in the description box for this hair. I love it. Super cute. I was getting tired of my wigs. I needed something else. I needed to do something else, something different. And I love it, y'all. Y'all check it out. Again, it's on Amazon, link posted in the description box, $21 for 3 bundles. This is 1B27. They do have other colors as well. Yeah, that's about all I can say. Literally, it took me probably like 30 minutes to put this hair in. About 30 minutes to put the hair in. And then braiding my hair took about 30 minutes. So that's not long at all. Seriously, like the whole process of like washing my hair and all that type of stuff probably took about like maybe... Altogether, probably took me about 2.5 hours to do my hair. Like that's not bad. You can't beat that. And this is so cute. This will probably last me, knowing me, it'll probably last me about 2 or 3 weeks. I don't keep hair in long, as y'all, if y'all haven't noticed. I change my hair all the time. So yeah, this will probably last me about 2 weeks, and then I'll probably have something different. But I hope you guys have enjoyed this short video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Let me know what you think. And until next time, I hope y'all be safe. Y'all be blessed. See you later.